Hi guys, welcome to EIKV and this is Krishna. So in this illustration you can find that cat company manufacturing a product using three machinery. So the product is manufactured using three processes. So the product goes through three processes to get into a final product. So the machines are X, Y and Z and such details of such machineries are given below. So the details are given in the table which contains particular and machine capacity. The particulars, then three machinery X, Y and Z which contains a capacity. X contains 800 capacity per week, Y contains 600 capacity and Z contains 500 capacity. The demand of the product is 1000 units per week. So the customers demand 1000 units per week. Therefore the uh, Cat and Company can produce up to 100,000 units per week and it can sell 1000 units per week. Going further, for every additional product produced will increase the profit by 50,000. The company is going to for the proposal which are not mutually exclusive. So there are given some of the three proposals and all the proposals are not mutually exclusive, so it needs to be taken. Proposals are taken separately or individually. So the proposals are: number one, which purchase one, replace machine X with a newer model. This will increase the capacity by 1100 units per week and it costs 60 lakhs. Number two, invest in second machinery Y, increase the capacity by 550 units per week. The cost of the machine would be 68 lakhs. So in the second option it is required that it is proposed that we need to install a new other machinery which is machinery Y. So we have two machineries, so it will increase the production capacity by 550 units. Now its third option, upgrade machine Z at a cost of rupees 75 lakhs and thereby increasing the capacity by 1050 units. And the requirement is which is cat company's best course of action under throughput accounting. So I'm going for the solution. So for the solution I have made a tabular representation which contains 5 columns: particulars, X, Y, Z machines and demand. Here first you will write down the current capacity per week, which is 800, 600, 500 and demand is 1000 rupees. So when we go through these capacities, we can find that the bottleneck capacity or the less capacity. With this capacity or with current capacity, the cat company can only manufacture a maximum of 500 units per week. So the bottleneck capacity is 500. So first we need to upgrade machine Z. So after upgrading machine Z, the capacity of machine Z will be 1050 units. And when we buy machine Z, then the other capacities will be 800, 600 and 1000. So when we go through these four scenarios, we can find that the maximum product which we can produce will be 600 units because 600 is the bottleneck capacity. Therefore, we need to upgrade machine Y by purchasing another machine Y. Therefore, when we buy machine X, machine Y and machine Z, we will get the capacity like 800 unit for machine A, 1150 for machine B and 1050 for machine C, and the demand will be 1000. Therefore, the maximum unit which we can produce using this capacity will be 800. Thus, we need to upgrade machine X also. So after upgrading all the machines, we will get 1100 for machine X and 1150 for machine Y and 1050 for machine X. Therefore, the demand, when we check these capacities, we can easily understand that with these production capacities we can meet the demand of the market. Therefore, this is the optimum capacity. So all the three machinery is to be purchased in the above order to meet the existing capacity. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got clear clarification regarding this illustration. Thank you.